Hey, what's up today, wherever you're watching this video? Today's video, I will be showing you how to use ChatGPT to learn any tech skill all around the world. If you are new to ChatGPT, just open the URL chat.openai.com and click on sign up to create an account. And if you're already a member, you can sign in, and immediately you are signing, you're going to have an interface that's similar to this. So I'm going to start by clicking the new chat button here, and I'm going to put in my text here. For example, I want ChatGPT to create a schedule for us on how we can learn UI UX within 2 months. If you have a 1 hour study schedule per day, what are the things you need to know? What are the things you need to learn? So I've drafted the content to be something that's simple like this. If I want to learn UI UX in 2 months, and my goal is to become a professional UI designer, can you create me a study schedule? What are the things I should learn? If I have 1 hour per day, 5 hours, 5 days a week, what are the things I need to learn if I have 1 hour per day and 5 days a week? And I want to learn as fast, as quick as possible. All right. So I'm going to change this schedule. All right. So I'm going to copy this content and I'm going to paste it here. So now I'll click on start. So immediately you will see how, all right, the week 1 we're going to have the introduction to UI UX, and week 2, okay, let me just allow it to finish generating the content. All right, so okay, these are all I've got here. So I'm going to go through it one by one. The week 1 will be introduction to UI UX design. The day 1 to 2 will be about understanding the basics of UI and UX design and the difference between them. Day 3 to 4 will explore the principle of UI design, e.g. the color, the theory, typography, layout, visual, hierarchy. And day 5 and 6 will be dive into the principle of UI design, e.g. the UI research, information architecture, wireframings, and prototyping. Alright, the day 7 will be a recap and review of the concept learning during the first week. Alright, so and in week the week 3 to 4 will be the tools and the prototypes. That's familiar. Day 1 will be about getting yourself familiar with the UI design toolkit, like the Sketch, the Adobe, and Figma. You can choose anyone to stick with. Of course, everybody wants to stick to Figma. And the day 4 to 5 will be learning how to create wireframe low fidelity prototype using your choosing design tools. And also the day 7 will be the practice creating high fidelity mockups and prototype incorporating the principle learned early. All right, so this is just a guide, and this can be used in any skill you want to learn. For example, if I want to learn front-end design within 3 months, what are the things I need to know? What are the skills I need to acquire, and many more. So if you are just joining my channel for the first time and you find this information very useful, kindly subscribe to the channel, share the video as well to your friends who might possibly be in need of the video, and always turn on the notification bell for updates, for tips and tools that I'll be dropping in my channel. Thank you for watching, and do have a lovely day.